Day 2 of jury deliberations, leaving the defense and prosecution waiting on edge. Before returning to deliberations Thursday, the jury asked the judge to reread parts of his instructions for how the law applies to this case and how they should proceed. Specifically, how to infer or conclude something based on the evidence before them.
The prosecution has to prove each of these 34 cases beyond a reasonable doubt. What the defense will say is that there's any doubt here. If you have a doubt, if you have a question about it, then you have to find the former president not guilty.
The jury also asked to be read excerpts of key witness testimony from former Trump fixer Michael Cohen and David Pecker, former publisher of the National Enquirer, about a 2015 Trump Tower meeting where the alleged conspiracy began.
That's the prosecution's theory of the case, and the jury seems to be vetting that. And so I think the prosecution team is probably encouraged by that question and those questions. I think the Trump legal team is probably discouraged. I think this jury is getting down to business, but so far they seem to be following the pathway that the prosecution has suggested.
Trump's legal team and political allies trying to paint a positive picture to the public, even claiming the longer it takes the jury to reach a verdict, the better it is for Trump.
To read the tea leaves a little bit, one possible reason for the specific requests they've made is that they may have already made a decision that they consider Michael Cohen to be deeply not credible. And if that's the case, I think this case appears to be on life support.
There's some mixed signals from the Trump team about what they expect from a verdict. You just heard what Trump's attorney Will Scharf said there, but on Wednesday, Trump said not even Mother Teresa could beat these charges. Now, if there is ultimately a conviction, Scharf says they will move quickly to file an appeal. In Washington, I'm Atra El-Nashar.